Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up limited user accounts in Windows 11. Setting up a limited user account in Windows helps protect your computer from unwanted changes. A standard limited account can use apps but cannot install programs or modifying important system settings. In this guide, you'll learn how to create and set up limited user account step by step. To begin, click the Start button, then open the settings. Click Accounts in the left panel. Select Other Users. Under Other Users, click Add Account. If creating a Microsoft account, enter the email address and follow the prompts. If you want a local account, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Then click Add a User without a Microsoft account. Enter a username for the new account. Create and confirm a password. Add security questions and answers. Take note, you have to provide 3 questions and 3 answers to that questions to move forward. Then click the Next to create the account. After creation, click the new account name. Choose Change Account Type. Choose the standard user. Then click OK. The new account is now a limited standard user account and cannot make administrative changes. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.